Let's put some comments. Here will be meet the team section or about section, doesn't matter. Control K U uppercase. You should know about the commenting. When we select only control slash, then it will comment. For example, select control forward slash, again control forward slash, it commented. And I like commenting always, that's why my client also like my work. So next section is why choose us, Bootstrap container. Now copy, I think we can copy only this area. We just copy this area. Section dot why choose us. Paste. Now change the title, meet the team, and everything is uppercase, so this upper C is fine. And put the class for the section padding, and then why choose us also. This area also commented. And now comment end, grade value SBG. So here is simple, no caption is required. Change this, remove this class, so put it here same line and put the SBG icon. Copy the text, this should be a span. Where is the, I changed difference area, sorry. So we can remove this area and copy everything 4 times, as you can see here. So there will be another class, this class should be moved from this to this class, so everything will be text center. And then change the icon, so quick note, copy. This is the nice way to build something new. Quick notes is here. Sorry, this would be quick code, not note. So quick code, grade value product, trade supplier, and full support. Trade supply, first change the icon, then full support. Later I will put the text. Trade supplier, name also. This should be quote. Okay, let's see. Yes, so everything is here as you can see. So next section is the form, and then review, then footer. Gray section. So I'm going to copy this one, dot section padding section. This section is sign up. So sign up section padding, and put the form dot row. Here will be dot call 6 dot call, put lg3 into 4. So yes, we can put the input tag. So input type text, class form control. First one is name, email, number, and then captcha. Placeholder, there should be a placeholder, name, then email, type should be email, number. This type should be text, placeholder captcha image. So here will be image. The image is captcha dot, because this part goes to the developer. Yes, image just now showing. H2 text center, and then upper C, sign up. The button will be submit, so I can copy this button. My code I can copy it, that's no problem, and then put the class text center. The button is showing. Yeah, so everything is correct. Let's moving on to the next part. This the simple part, review. So I'm going to use Bootstrap container because the container is not enough width. So Bootstrap container will be fine. Let's moving on. The reviews should be section padding, and then dot container for the Bootstrap, then row, there will be row, and left side will be image. So img this image. Let's put a class round border. I forget to put here columns, so call sm4, and then call md3, and inside this put the image, then copy, put here 8 and here 9 and here h2. Can you understand? And I forget again this text. There should be reviews. Easy to follow. This goes to h2 and this will be p tag. That's the simple way. And I forget one things, there should be one hr. We can copy it 3 times. Let's see our code. Yes, this is the code. So when goes to mobile, then it will goes bottom, and desktop and tablet will be 2 columns, and the image rounded later, and the hr tag I will put our style yellow color. So let's put on the footer part. So I will make 2 columns for the footer. First there will be 1 column and there will be another column, and then this column will be 4 columns also in this column. So this is very easy to code now. Let's put footer tag html footer dot site footer, put the class section padding and put the class dark bg for the dark color. Container or our custom container, then put the row, put the call md7, call lg. Large skin we are going to put this 7 to 9, and this should be 5 and this should be 3. Now put the links. So here should be index.html, home. Copy the links here, just copy it, and we'll do some modification here. And the modification will be contact. So first of all put this contact here. Actually here I am going to use links html, contact html. So remove this class, I don't need anymore the class. Copy and put under contact. I think we should use list type here. So ul dot list, and then put the li. Inside li should put the contact, and this also goes to li. So change it to li. make it dot to row, then dot call sm6 call lg3 into 4. So first one will be home, and the UL will be, actually I am missing some UL products, put it here li, about prefer. So I can use this directly, insert this tag about and meet the team. Can you understand what I am doing? Actually I am doing this something simple. So now we can move this one and then put here, and then copy the unordered list, put here, then copy this, close the unordered list, paste here. I will continue doing my work. The footer is completed. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share.